More updates on XRP as well as Bitcoin. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And also, you can check me out on Telegram as well as Discord. You can find the links down in the description below. And with that being said, let's go ahead and dive straight into the news. The U.S. government moved nearly $4 million worth of Bitcoin to Coinbase from an address labeled U.S. Government Ryan Ferrasi seized funds. According to Arkham Intelligence, the transfer involved 58.742 Bitcoin, originating from funds seized 3 years ago from Ryan Ferrasi, who was convicted in 2018 for selling Xanax on the dark web. His father, Joseph Ferrasi, was also convicted for laundering and trafficking Bitcoin proceeds. The Department of Justice recovered 2,933 Bitcoin from them and announced plans to liquidate the holdings in January. This recent move represents less than 1% of Bitcoin's 24-hour trading volume and is unlikely to impact the spot price significantly. For comparison, Germany's Saxony state recently sold 49,858 Bitcoin, which temporarily drove the price down. And right now we're seeing Bitcoin trading right around $66,750. The government for the US, they hold over 213,000 Bitcoin, which is worth over $14 billion. On Tuesday, Bitcoin briefly dipped as the Mt. Gox trustee moved over $2.8 billion worth of Bitcoin into two wallets, as reported by Arkham Intelligence. The transfers included $340 million and $2.5 billion worth of Bitcoin during Asian trading hours. Arkham noted on Twitter that 5,110 Bitcoin, roughly $340 million, was distributed to 4 Bitstamp addresses. Kraken confirmed it received funds from the Mt. Gox trustee and will distribute them to creditors by the end of July. And Bitstamp plans to begin distribution soon. Bitcoin's price fell to $66,267.87 during the transfers, but rebounded above $67,000, showing a 7% gain over the past week. Despite recent market events, including German and U.S. government Bitcoin liquidations and political uncertainty, traders remain optimistic. Analysts from Bitfinex suggest large investors are buying the dip and moving Bitcoin to cold storage. Mt. Gox, once the largest Bitcoin exchange, collapsed in 2014 due to a massive security breach. Creditors will finally be repaid after 10 years. And if you're trying to make as much as you can with your crypto investments, for example, if you're looking at XRP, you feel confident about it, you think it's going to make some significant moves, you can maximize those with leverage. And you can check out the crypto exchange Margex. There is a link down in the description below. There's no KYC. So if you want to get started, it only takes about 30 seconds to 1 minute to create an account. With XRP as one example, you can go up to 50x. And there's other cryptos that you can actually go up to 100x. So there's a lot of options here. You can do regular crypto trading. You do copy trading. You can see how other people are performing. You just provide up your collateral. You can set up autopilot. It's real quick and easy. And also you can claim up to $10,000. You can check out how through that bonus by checking out the link in the description down below. Now, this is available in a lot of different regions. If it's not available in your region, some people may decide to use a VPN, but obviously that choice is up to you. XRP has outperformed Bitcoin, Solana, and Ethereum in trade volume across major exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken, according to Presto Research's daily market brief. The data revealed that XRP saw a 410% spike in trade volume on Upbit, Korea's largest exchange. This interest has made XRP's volume on Upbit surpass Bitcoin's combined volume on Korea's top 5 exchanges, with $526 million for XRP compared to Bitcoin's $282 million. Additionally, XRP saw significant increases in trade volume on other exchanges, 287% on KuCoin, 217% on Gate.io, 216% on Kraken, 169% on Coinbase, 139% on OKX, and 124% on Binance. Now, in contrast, Bitcoin had a modest 60% volume increase on HTX and 1.3% on Kraken, with declines on other platforms. Ethereum showed mixed results with volume increases on KuCoin, 32.6%, Bybit, 10.8%, but significant drops on Gate.io with a negative 38.5%. And then there's also HTX, negative 37.7%. Solana experienced overall declines except for a minor increase on HTX. Other notable volume changes include a 351.3% increase for wrapped Bitcoin and a 207.1% rise for Shiba Inu. The total market cap has fluctuated, but it shows a recovery trend towards $2.5 trillion since mid-June. Market analyst Javon Marks predicts that XRP could see a staggering 41,400% increase, potentially driving its value to over $150. Marks highlighted XRP's historical price movements, noting its all-time high of $3.30 during the 2017 to 2018 bull run, followed by a prolonged consolidation phase, forming a descending triangle pattern on the logarithmic chart. Marks believes that XRP is poised for a breakout from this pattern with a smaller symmetrical triangle indicating a tight trading range and imminent breakout. He points to a recent test of the upper boundary of the descending triangle, suggesting a bullish breakout could lead to a significant price surge. For XRP to reach $150, it would need to rally by 24,349%, from the current position. This is implying a market cap of $8.2 trillion. XRP has surged 60% from its July 5th low. Technical indicators, including the Ichimoku Cloud, MACD, are supporting a strong bullish trend and ongoing buying pressure, suggesting sustained upward momentum. I would love to know what you guys think about all this, so please share your thoughts with us down in the comments below. And again, if you want to, you can go check out the MargeX link. They do have a lot of crypto options over here, and they are looking to possibly be adding more here in the near future. So keep an eye out for that. And also, guys, I appreciate you so much. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you're new. Thank you to my Patreon supporters. A double shout out thank you to Victor Vegas, being a higher level patron. If you'd like to show your support for as little as $1 a month, it is greatly appreciated. Also, thank you very much to my YouTube members for your support. And we're just going to take one more quick look over here on the Bitcoin price charts as we zoom out a tad bit on the daily, because I realize this is on the 1 hour time frame. We have a little bit of a pullback. So I want to mention that we have a closure yesterday, but it was still above the VWAP. And then on the new day formation, we are currently down below. So it looks like we have a pretty high chance for the day of closing below that VWAP. It's not ideal. We might consolidate here a little bit, but if it can manage to bounce back, climb above that VWAP, that's a very bullish indicator. That would be amazing. I am a little bit concerned about the RSI being close to the overbought territory, so we might see things cool down a little bit. We've had a lot of crazy news over the course of the last week or two, so do keep that in mind as well. Okay, well, thank you guys again so much. God bless, and we'll see you in the next episode.